Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google Smart TV. And in this video, I will show you on how to update any apps in your Google Smart TV. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to navigate to settings on your Google Smart TV. On getting to settings, go ahead and click on OK. Next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down until you get to apps. Go ahead and click on apps. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on see all apps. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and scroll down, continue to scroll down, continue to scroll down, continue to scroll down, and go ahead and click on show system apps. Click on that. Then you are here. Go ahead and continue to scroll down, 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 continue to scroll down until you get to Google Play Store. Go ahead and click on OK. The next thing you want to do is go ahead and click on open. Then here you go in your Google Play Store, in your Google Smart TV. Then from here, you can select any app that you want to update. Okay. Let's say, for instance, I want to update my Netflix app. Go ahead and click on it and then click on OK. Then it's going to take you right here. If there is any updates, we'll go ahead and update Netflix app. However, you can go back to the Play Store right here and make use of search right here. And then go ahead and search for any apps that you want to update in your Google Play Store. Let's say, for instance, I want to update my YouTube app right here. So go ahead and click on OK. Then you are here. If there is any update for YouTube app, go ahead and click on update. But as at the time of making this video, all my apps are fully up to date. However, this is how to simply update any app in your Google TV. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Google TV, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.